This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the service mentioned at no extra cost to you because they are the best in the industry. Before we dive in, if you are serious about starting your US business, click the link in the description right now. It will take you straight to bz.com, the service I personally trust to register your Delaware. Got it? Awesome. So let's get started. An LLC or limited liability company is a US business structure that protects your personal assets. If your business gets sued or owes debt, creditors can touch your house, car, or savings. It's like a legal shield between you and your business. Plus, LLC offers tax flexibility. You can choose how the IRS takes you for non-US residents. It's the gold standard for launching a US venture. Now, why Delaware? First, Delaware's laws are tailor-made for businesses. Over 1.5 million companies are registered here, including 68% of Fortune 500 firms. Here's why non-residents love it. Number one, zero state income tax if you don't operate in Delaware. Number two, strong privacy, no public disclosure of owners' names. Number three, business-friendly courts. The famous Court of Chancery handles disputes fast. Number four, no residency requirement, perfect for international entrepreneurs. You can see it yourself on Delaware's official Secretary of State site. But fair warning, filing solo means navigating complex forms and a $90 state fee. That's where bz.com saves the day. Here's how to register your Delaware LLC in 3 steps. For free, number 1, visit bz.com, select Delaware LLC. Number 2, pick the free package, you pay just the $90 state fee. BZ waives their service fee. Number 3, complete your details. Name, owner info, and registered agent, which BZ provides free for the first year. BZ handles everything, filing paperwork with Delaware, IRS, tax numbers, even a business address in 7 to 10 days. Your LLC is live, no legal jargon, no headaches. Ready to launch? Don't overthink this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.